What does the future of agriculture look like? How do we continue to produce food at a scale that meets demand? And how can this align with our obligations to minimise environmental impact? We are facing important questions around food, energy, climate, and population growth. At IGS, we are pioneering solutions that are automated, scalable, and robust enough to further agricultural innovation. So, what does this future look like? We think it looks like this. Greater control and greater consistency, our towers yield more per square metre, literally growing up, not out. Indoor growing is not a new concept, but the demand for precision farming continues to increase. It was from this demand that IGS was founded, by a farmer and an engineer looking to diversify traditional thinking. The results are exciting. Controlled environment approach to deliver yield, quality and consistency. A tailored ecosystem for each growth tray. Crops grown hydroponically. Automated water and nutrient delivery. Clean room access and instant access through cloud-based software. Automation means exact recipes repeated across every growing cycle. At IGS's Crop Research Centre, better never stops. We continue to chart crops, develop recipes and challenge what our towers can deliver. This includes a range of brassicas, roots, soft fruits, leafy greens, herbs and botanicals. At IGS, we're answering important questions on the future of agriculture today. For more information on our scalable vertical farm technology, join us at intelligentgrowth.io.